welcome to the Executive Tower Suite at the Wynn Las Vegas. So we are back at the Wynn. It's been almost 2 full years since I've stayed here, and they actually just finished renovations at the Wynn, so happy to be back, happy to be in this beautifully renovated room. Yeah, there's just so much to show you guys, so let's finish showing you guys the room. This room is really cool. It's not the biggest, but it has a beautiful king bed, 2 bathrooms, a lot of seating areas, and just a really modern feel and a lot of really cool architectural type things. Let me show you. Okay, so bathroom number 1, you got a tub, a lot of controls here, beauty, artwork, you got your sink, mirror, got a lot of goodies here, towels, a clock, you got your throne, and then over here, you got the shower. Sink number 2. Throne number 2, and more art. One last really cool thing I gotta show you guys is look. Huh? This thing moves, look at that. Huh? Also, we have more chocolate. I don't know what it is with everyone giving me chocolate, but I really appreciate it. Thanks, Wynn. I mean, how cool is that? It looks exactly like the Wynn. Welcome, Pompsie. So, I'm lucky enough to be staying here for 2 nights. So right now I'm meeting Greta, our friend Norma, who a lot of you know. She has a YouTube channel as well. And our friend Jacob, who, it's his birthday today actually. We're all meeting right now, and we're going downstairs to have dinner at Sinatra Italian restaurant here. I'm stoked. I'm pumped. Just waiting on the birthday boy right now. Restaurant's back there. There he is, right there. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Good, dude. Jacob's eating a flower. Like, I know he's healthy, but damn. I've never seen that vegetable.
All right, this is a toast to Jacob's life in Vegas. Happy birthday. What are you filming? You filming me?
Cool.
Oh!
Look how symmetrical that is.
It's like very creamy, definitely very chocolatey, more kind of like dark chocolate. And you would think that like the hat, like the shell is going to be a little bit more crunchy, but it's actually not. It's a little bit more on the softer side. I really like it though.
What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Good morning. So Greta has plans, so she's not here, but I am here. And let's talk about Sinatra. I figured it was going to be affiliated with Frank Sinatra, but I wasn't really too sure because I've never been there. But it in fact has a complete Frank Sinatra theme. So as many of you know, Frank Sinatra is no longer with us. He passed away, I believe, in 1998. And the Wynn was created in 2005. Frank actually was never ever able to go to this Sinatra restaurant, right? So I was a little kind of like confused, but basically the dinner menus, when you open them up, there's a picture of him and there's a short couple paragraphs that talk about the restaurant. And basically the restaurant was conceived and inspired by Frank Sinatra, and it's a place that they created. Basically, they wanted to create a restaurant that Frank would love. Italian food and different dishes that he really liked. You know, that's why it was created. So not only do they have a theme of Frank Sinatra throughout the restaurant with pictures all around and pictures on the menu and stuff like that, but they're also constantly playing his music, and it's really nice and special. And they even said that the Sinatra estate gave him the thumbs up to, you know, go ahead and create this restaurant kind of in his honor in a way. So, yeah, it's really nice. I liked it a lot. Beautiful restaurant, amazing meal. And shout out to the Wynn. They comped us the dinner. Overall, one of the best meals I've ever had in Vegas. It's definitely becoming a new favorite restaurant of mine, but it's really expensive, like insane. So it's about 7 p.m. It's already time for another dinner. I'm currently waiting for my friend Lorenzo and Ariel. We're going to be going to Casa Playa, Mexican restaurant at the Encore. What's up? You guys, you look nice. You look cool too.
I look basic.
Basic but cool. It's a cool seat. What's this guy doing here? This is cool. Yeah, right?
You're like squishing it, you're like so squishy.
This place is cool.
And there you go. Fire goddess here for you. And mango margarita here. And the classic margarita. Thank you. And since this is your first visit, I brought you guys something on the house.
Okay, so we just got drinks. And me and Lorenzo got margaritas. Wait, is that a margarita too?
Yeah.
Okay, we all got margaritas. We're at a Mexican restaurant. We figured margarita makes sense. But, fun fact, Lorenzo's grandfather created the margarita.
So, a lot of people probably don't know this, but my great-grandpa, his name is Santos Cruz. He invented the margarita in my hometown of Galveston, Texas. So shout out to Galveston if anybody watches from down there. But yeah, look it out, check it out, and we're gonna drink a margarita for you.
So Lorenzo's great-grandfather.
Oh, so Lorenzo's great-grandfather, Santos to Santos.
Santos.
Alright, so what just melted on top is white chocolate. Inside it's gonna be filled with banana ice cream, banana bread, candied pecans, and then it's gonna be drizzled with dulce de leche in there.
Wow, that place was fun. Really good food, but even better atmosphere. Really fun place. Next up, getting some drinks at AFT. Also, I just ran into Ryan Reeves on the New York Rangers. He's a hockey player in the NHL on my Rangers. He used to play for the Golden Knights. I said what's up to him. I was a little too shy to ask him to be on the vlog. Maybe next time. So this cocktail deck, AFT cocktail deck, it's where the Lake of Dreams show is, which I've been to, but I think they renovated this or changed it. I don't think it used to be called AFT. Looks a little different out there too, so first time experiencing it. Ooh, fun. What? I don't know what any of these things are. Did you get the same drink as me? What are these ones?
The guava.
Guava.
The guava.
And you got, which one do you get?
I got the Ibiza.
Ibiza.
So it's like an espresso martini.
An espresso martini.
I'll give it a 9.63 out of 10.
That's really good.
What's your rating?
A 10. This tastes like coffee.
A 10.0?
Yeah.
At the end of the week, in a hand I laid my pay.
It's 11:30. Man, I'm so tired. We stayed out so late last night. We're having a brunch right now at Jardine. One of those. I don't know how to pronounce it. Really beautiful restaurant here. I got the lobster Benedict. Looks absolutely beautiful. Greta got more of a basic meal. Eggs, toast, bacon. Looks pretty good though. I'm so tired. So toast. So I don't really have an ending for this vlog. I kind of lost my story arc throughout. I feel like just an awesome 2 nights at the Wynn, hanging out with some friends and enjoying the room, a little bit of gambling, and food, a lot of food. That was the main part of this vlog, I feel like. Sinatra, Casa Playa, just incredible food experiences and an amazing room as well. So if you have the budget for it and you're going to Vegas, you can't really go wrong with the Wynn. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks to the Wynn for hooking it up. Hopefully you guys got to see some cool kind of experiences, a little bit about these cool restaurants, and had fun watching the video, and that's all I really ask for, you know? But that's it. See you guys in the next one.